Hi friend, this is Mandeep and you are watching High Technology TV. In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss about cloud storage on Google Cloud Platform. So right now we are at dashboard of Google Cloud Platform. So click here on the navigation menu and here go to the storage. Here click on the storage and this is the by default page of storage. So right now we have two storage and we are going to create a bucket. So here click on the create bucket and this is the menu for creating a bucket, and our bucket name should be globally unique. For that, let's provide High Technology 11. This is the name of our bucket, so click continue. Let's see. Okay, this is available, and here it is asking that where we are going to store our data. It is regional, multi-regional or dual regional. Mean to say our highest level in the region, our bucket is only hosted at one region, and on the multi-region it is the highest availability across largest area, and our bucket is hosted on multiple regions, and here it will be hosted on two regions. So here we are going with multi-region. Location is, let's click continue here, and this is the class of our storage. So standard is basically to used for the data where we are going to access it frequently, and nearline is that is for data where we are going to access our data rarely, like once in a month or twice in a month, like that. And cold line is only for the disaster recovery where we are going to access our data only once in a year or twice in a year, like that. So here we are going with standard. Continue here, and here it is asking for the control access to objects. So one of them is fine grain. On fine grain we are going to specify the permission for a particular object, and on uniform it will be applied on the bucket. So here you can read more details from here, so click continue, and here it is asking for the encryption. So we are going with Google managed key, and if you want to set the retention policy, you can set it here. That what is the retention policy? It is in second, days, month and year. And if you want to add any label, you can add that also. I'm leaving it at default and click on create. Okay, so our bucket is created. This is our bucket name. So let's upload one file here. Okay, we are going to upload this. Upload is done. So this is the object. So right now we cannot access it from anywhere. You can check here that public access is not set here. It is not public, and encryption is Google managed key. On our bucket we can perform the operation like upload files, upload folder or create folder, and delete, and like when you click on this, delete and manage hold will be enabled. These are the bucket specific actions here, and these are the particular object specific actions. So here we can edit the permission, edit metadata, download it here, copy it, move, rename and export to Cloud PubSub, scan with cloud data loss prevention. So here we are going like edit permission here. By default these permissions are set on any object. So we are going to click on add item, and here choose the user and here type all users. Click save, and here this is the permission access type. So now you are able to see that it is publicly accessed. So just click here, and this is the file. You are able to see that this is the link, and now it is publicly accessible. Okay, and here these are the other option also. Here you can upload the folder, create a folder, like give it name testing, and create, and a folder is created successfully. Now we can upload the files and folder and all that here also. On the bucket specific, like this is the bucket, and here you can check that this is the public access per object, and access control is fine grain, life cycle rule is none, and retention policy is here none, label is 0, none, encryption is Google managed key. So here let's we are going to do one more thing. Let's here on the lifecycle rule, we are going to create a rule that whatever item that is in our high technology 1.1 storage will be deleted after 1 day or 7 days. So for that, let's click on here on the lifecycle rules, none, and click here add rule, and here select the age, select object condition, and here give it name 7, continue, and here select action is delete, and continue, and click on the save button. So what will happen is that any object in this particular bucket will be deleted after 7 days or older. This is the rule, and we can add other rule also, like on the age part, let's say give it 365 days, continue, and here select an action. On action we are going to move our objects from this particular, that is our standard storage, to cold line. Here choose the set to cold line, continue, and save. Here what will happen is that whatever item or object in this particular bucket will be moved to cold line storage after 365 days or older. So by this way we can set rules, and here we can perform, like we can delete the bucket, we can create other bucket also, and here on the functionality we can edit bucket permission, also edit label, default storage class, delete bucket, and process with cloud function, scan with cloud data, loss prevention, export to cloud pops up. These are some of the functions specific to the bucket. Okay friends, so that's all about the cloud storage. We can discuss more about cloud storage in coming videos. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.